Here in the test kitchen, we love when we can make a dish that, well, let's just say, can wear a bunch of hats. And the corn and black bean salsa that we're making today does just that. Since it's easy to throw together and lasts for a bit in the fridge, it's the perfect dish to keep on hand. Let me show you what I mean. We start by combining a can of drained black beans with thawed frozen corn, some chopped red bell pepper, a good amount of cilantro, and a few sliced scallions. Then, to make the dressing that brings this combo to life, we add some balsamic vinegar to a bit of lime juice, along with some vegetable oil, cumin, and a bit of salt. Once this is whisked together, we pour it over our black bean mixture and pop it in the fridge to chill for a bit. The nice thing about this is that you can enjoy it as a colorful, good-for-you side dish, or spoon it over grilled chicken or fish to turn a ho-hum dinner into one that is yum-yum. To get the recipe for what we call our Save the Day Black Bean Salsa, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and fresh tasting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.